All right, man. So when the waiter comes back, then you order for her. Doesn't matter what you order, just order something. Chicks dig that, man. Take charge. So what's the difference between a duck, man? It's a telephone pole. Because a motorcycle doesn't have any doors, duh. There's only one place to invest your money, man. Holographic technology. We're bringing back Elvis. How many people work at my office, you ask? Oh, about half. Hold on one sec, I gotta tweet this. And that's when I told Kanye, ego is overdone, bro. Just like hoodies. Get rid of that stuff. Write this down, life lesson. It's only physical. Here's the answer, man. One word. Plastics.